Hey G Squad, welcome back to the episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool material right here, and basically what this is a foam roller. If you see the one that we got right here is the Amazon Basic brand, and the one that we got right here is the 24-inch. They do have this available for like 12-inch, 18-inch, and 36-inch as well. So you definitely want to do your own measurement and research to see which one is one. But first, I'm going to open up to show you guys what the product looks like inside. Alright, so once you guys open up, this actually looks like inside. So let's take it out first. So once you take it out, you guys can see that this is what the product looks right here. So when you guys see the material on here, it definitely feels like a high quality foam. And if you guys look really carefully on the actual foam roller, there's a bunch of these little spots on here. And I'm assuming those are just probably like a design on here to make it look kind of cool. If you see inside right here, they do have the brand logo as well. But that is basically everything that's on the product right here. So there's many ways for you guys to use the product. You can either use it against the wall, or you can put it down on the ground and use it as well. And if you guys get like the smaller one, like the 12-inch, you can probably put it onto your chair and use it there as well. So I'm actually put this against the wall to show you guys how it works. So all you guys have to do is just put this against the wall like this. And you want to lean back on it and just roll your body up and down for wherever you guys want to target. So just like this. And when you guys use it against the wall, it definitely does work, but it doesn't work as well compared to when you guys use it on the ground. Let me actually put it on the ground to show you guys how that works as well, and then we'll come back and talk more about it in a second. So what I'm going to do is put this on the ground, and you just want to lay on this and just move it around. So I'm going to use it for my lower back. So I just want to lay back on here and just start rolling it. It definitely feels super nice when you guys use it because it kind of helps you guys loosen up any kind of muscles or muscle tension when you guys actually use it. It definitely has a pretty good support when you guys actually use it. So that's one way for you guys to use it. Another way for you guys to use it is if you guys want to use it for your arm or for your legs. So if you guys want to use it for your legs, you want to do something like this. You just want to put your leg on here and basically just roll it like what you guys did for your lower back. And that can help you guys stretch out your legs as well and release any kind of muscle tension. And I love how lightweight the product feels. You can see how lightweight it is. So that is basically what the product looks like when you guys actually use it. Very simple and very easy to use, but you can see it definitely does work. Alright, welcome back guys. So nice little quick test, the product definitely actually does work, actually works quite well. So when you guys use it on the floor, it definitely feels a lot better because you guys are using a lot more of your body mass and force on the foam roller compared to when you guys are using it against the wall. You guys are just using your body to push against it, so you won't get as good a massage when you guys use it against the wall. It is more ideal and better for you guys to use it on the floor, just like how I showed you guys earlier. But that is basically everything that's on the product here. Now that I'm unboxing and testing product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product here, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for some high quality foam rollers to help you guys loosen up your muscle before or after a workout. That would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously if those guys who don't want or don't need one or have to need one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.